Hello everyone, I am Riaz Jamadar from All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Department of Information Technology. In this session, we will be discussing about Java Server Pages Basics. So JSP stands for Java Server Pages. What Java Server Pages actually we mean, for what purpose it is used, that all we'll see in this one. So JSP is an abbreviation for Java Server Pages. It is a server-side technology. Again, the primary objective is used to generate the dynamic data, dynamic web content. It is used for creating web-based applications. It is used to create dynamic web content. So in our previous videos, what is the meaning of dynamic web content, I have explained you. Once again, to brush up, a dynamic web content or a dynamic data is one which reflects the current status of your database. So now normally when you go for this online shopping, etc., what is the when you buy, if you want to buy something, you will click buy, it will say out of stock, and if it is there, it will say these many items are left, order quickly. So this way the current status of the database can be reflected with the help of web server based applications, that is done through servlets and JSP. So basically servlet and JSP are used to generate dynamic web content. So in this JSP tags, that we'll see how JSP is different from servlet in our next video. Here we'll see basics of JSP. In this JSP tags are used. JSP tags are used for inserting Java code into HTML pages. Basically, JSP is a HTML page with Java code in it, Java code embedded in it. So when you execute HTML, you are able to execute Java code also. That is the beauty of JSP. So the beauty of servlet is what? When you can insert HTML in Java code. So that is possible with servlet. The reverse is possible. It is an advanced version of servlet technology. It is a web-based technology that helps us to create dynamic and platform independent web pages. In this, Java code can be inserted in HTML or XML pages or both. JSP is first converted into servlet by JSP container before processing the client's request. Actually, internally what happens, your JSP page gets loaded. After when it gets loaded, first it will get translated to servlet, Java servlet. So JSP page gets translated, or you can say gets converted to JS servlet, and that servlet will be loaded. So it is not directly the page which we execute. Now you can see how one general idea, like how the tags appear. Declaration tag, we have the way we declare variables in Java, the same way we can declare variables in our HTML. So we can insert this code here. You can in this in greater than, less than braces, angular braces, you can insert the code with the exclamation mark and percentage symbol. So you can witness here, this is the code for it. Percentage declaration symbol, declaration of variables, the way we declare in Java, same way. And Java scriptlets, they allow you to insert the Java code directly. Programming executable code you can add here, like you can say system.out.println a is equal to b by c. This way processing instructions you can have here in Java scriptlets. And Java expressions, if you want to display any result of any expression, like num1 is equal to num1 plus num2, so or c is equal to a plus b, what it does, it will add num2 to num1, and again the result will be stored in num1, and that will be displayed to you on screen. It will be displayed. It is, so you don't need to write system.out.println directly. If you write this much, you will be able to display the result. So these are the basic tags which are used for inserting Java code in JSP. But besides this, we have other tags also, like declarative tags. They are used to provide the behavior page directives we call them. Tag libraries are there, they can also be inserted here through your tags. This is how it is a tag based. Most of the things are here tag based, and these three tags are used for inserting Java code in your program. This is how you are able to insert Java code in HTML and make it as a JSP, and when you run you will get the results. You don't need to write the lengthy code of like servlets here. That is the beauty of JSP. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching.